Hi guys, I am Asnith, and today I am going to be showing you how to make another raw food recipe. Well, technically I want to say this is more of like a raw liquid recipe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own almond milk. Alright, so I'm sure you've heard that, in the store, the processed almond milk is combined with other things. I think if you knew how extremely easy it is to make your own almond milk, you would actually save your money. So let's just dive right in. Let me show you how easy this is to do. Alright, so the first thing that I do is get 1 cup of almonds. I usually will soak this cup of almonds anywhere from 4 to 12 hours, okay? So that's 1 cup of almonds that are soaked. After you soak the almonds, you want to actually take them and clean them very well. I know some people use the water from the soaking. It's just not my thing. I think you should clean them off very well, and then you're going to set them aside. You're also going to grab you 3 cups of water, purified water, or natural spring water, whatever you have. And the next thing you're going to do, you're just going to combine these two into your blender, okay? So next step. All right, so I don't know how long this actually usually takes, because usually I just turn it on and do it. All right, so this part, you might just want to mute your phone, because I'm going to go ahead and blend the almonds. So just because I'm filming, I don't want it to take too long, but actually I would leave it on high and just let it blend until I think it's good enough. The next thing you're going to do is grab a jar or a bowl. You're going to put cheesecloth on top. So this is like how, cheesecloths look. I usually would take a rubber band. I'm so not good at holding a cheesecloth and pouring it. So it's just easy if I tighten it around with the rubber band, okay? So the next thing I do is go ahead and I dump it. So you're going to take it, my cheesecloth is on top. I'm just going to pour it. And see how the milk is going into the jar? But the pulp is just like separating the pulp. And sometimes what I do, because I really could practice patience, I've been praying to Jesus about this. But I'll take my finger sometime and just move the pulp over. You see how it just lets the liquid come through a little quicker? And another thing you can do, so I'm just going to go ahead and make an example with this. I'm not going to do it entirely, but you get the idea. You're going to drain it. Let's just say I filled it to the top. The next thing you can do, I'm going to take this rubber band off. You want to be mindful with this, because sometimes if I don't do this good, the pulp and everything will fall into the jar. So, but you want to take that pulp, and I meant the pulp. You want to take the cheesecloth and squeeze it. See how much milk comes out once you have that in there? And then I want to show you guys what that looks like, that leftover almond. So this right here, I'm not going to throw away. I can actually take it and make something else out of it. So I'm just going to set it aside for now. I'm going to put it back in here. So once I've done that, kind of poured it into this cup, this is what it's going to look like when it's all done. So I've had this in the fridge for like a day, but look how awesome that looks, guys. And you also can take this almond milk. I didn't add any sweetener, but you can take it and you can sweeten it. You can use maple syrup, you can use honey, you can use vanilla, whatever you want, you can add it to this. So the next thing I'm going to be making for you is ice cream. So I wanted to show you the first step, because people say when I go to make ice cream, well, how did you make your milk? This is the video to show you how to make the milk. All right, so I'll see you possibly tomorrow. Until next time, if you would change anything, let me know. If you would add anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.